Hello everyone, welcome back to InfyGyan. In this video, we have another very interesting algebraic equation which we are going to solve for the real values of x. Here x cannot be equal to negative half as it will generate indeterminate form in our LHS. Now I will begin with considering reciprocal both sides as we have x can't be minus half. So I will switch numerator and denominator. We can write our equation 5x plus 2 whole power 5 plus 7x plus 4 whole power 5, and if I will take 2 common from this bracket, then it will come out as 2 power 5, which is 32. So in the bracket we'll have 4x plus 2, power is 5, and denominator will be right now our numerator, so 4x plus 2 whole power 5. RHS will be reciprocal of 1 over 65, so we will write 65. Now I will split our numerator brackets with respect to denominators separately, so we can write 5x plus 2 over 4x plus 2 whole power 5 plus 7x plus 4 over 4x plus 2 whole power 5 plus 32 only equal to 65. Now we will subtract 32 from both the sides. So I will write here minus 32, this side also minus 32. So RHS will become 33, and plus and minus 32 we will cancel out. So we will write our equation 5x plus 2 over 4x plus 2 whole power is 5 plus 7x plus 4 over 4x plus 2 whole power is 5. RHS is 33. Now we will consider substitutions. Let's say this bracket is A and this bracket we will call B. So the very first equation which I can write will be A power 5 plus B power 5 equal to 33. Equation number 1. Now I will check or calculate the value of A plus B also. So we have common denominator 4x plus 2. Now we have to simply add the numerators. So I will write 5x plus 2 plus 7x plus 4. This will be equal to 12x plus 6. And if I will take 3 common, then we will get 4x plus 2 in the bracket. Denominator is 4x plus 2. Now we can cancel 4x plus 2 from the numerator denominator. So we will be getting our second equation A plus B equal to 3. Now we have to solve this new system of equations. Let me write here A power 5 plus B power 5 is 33 and A plus B is 3. Now I will use binomial expansion. I will expand A plus B whole power 5. We can directly write the expansion, which is A power 5 plus B power 5 plus 5 times AB in the bracket A cube plus B cube plus 10 times A square B square times A plus B. This is expansion of A plus B whole power 5. Here we have A cube plus B cube. So let me write here one algebraic formula. A cube plus B cube, this is equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3ab, a plus b. So a plus b is 3, we will write 3 cube minus 3ab times a plus b is again 3. So we can write here 27 minus 9ab. Now we have to apply all the values. I will write LHS a plus b whole power 5. So I will be writing 3 power 5. RHS will be a power 5 plus b power 5 33 plus 5ab. A cube plus b cube is 27 minus 9ab. Let me take 3 common out. So I will write 9 minus 3ab in the bracket. And then we have 10 times a square b square times 3. So I can write 30a square b square. Now equation is divisible by 3. Let's divide both sides by 3. So we will write our equation 3 power 4 will be equal to 11 plus, let me write here, 3 power 4 equal to 33 over 3 is 11 plus 5ab, 3 will be cancelled out. So in the bracket we'll write 9 minus 3ab and 30 over 3 is 10. So I will write 10a square b square. 3 power 4 is 81. I will take 11 to the LHS, so minus 11 equal to 5ab times 9 minus 3ab plus 10a square b square. 81 minus 11 is 70. RHS will be 5 times 9, 45ab minus 15a square b square plus 10a square b square. So minus 5a square b square. Equation is divisible by 5. We will divide both sides by 5. We will write 9ab minus a square b square. Take all the terms to LHS. We will get one quadratic equation in AB. A square b square minus 9ab plus 14 equal to 0. Now I can see the factors of 14. If we want to apply factorization method, then 7 times 2. Addition of both will give us middle term coefficient 9. So I can split minus 9ab as minus 2ab minus 7ab. Will be getting factorization ab minus 2 times ab minus 7 equal to 0. We'll apply product 0 rule. We'll be getting ab equal to 2 and ab equal to 7. Let me write here ab equal to 2 and ab equal to 7. Our second equation was a plus b equal to 3. So from here I can write the value of b in terms of a as 3 minus a. So here I can write a times 3 minus a equal to 2 comma 7. Now I can write 3a minus a square equal to 2, 7. Now we will take all the terms to RHS. We will get two quadratic equations. Equation 1 would be a square minus 3a plus 2 equal to 0. And second equation will write a square minus 3a plus 7 equal to 0. Now for second quadratic equation, I will check the value of discriminant as per formula b square minus 4ac. So b is negative 3 here. Its square will be 9 only. Minus 4 times 1 times 7. This will come out 9 minus 28. Value will be equal to negative 19. Once discriminant is negative, we can write we'll be getting complex solutions. So this quadratic we can reject. Now I will consider our first quadratic equation. I can see the factors of 2 as 2 times 1 addition will give us 3. So I can directly write a minus 1, a minus 2 equal to 0. So from here we'll be having two a values, a equal to 1 and a equal to 2. Now if you remember, a was our substitution. A was 5x plus 2 over 4x plus 2. So I will consider here a equal to 1 case. So I will write here 5x plus 2 over 4x plus 2 in place of a equal to 1. Let's cross multiply 5x plus 2 equal to 4x plus 2. So 2 and 2 will be over. We will get x equal to 0. So our first real solution would be x equal to 0. Now we will consider a equal to 2. Again we will write in place of a 5x plus 2 over 4x plus 2 equal to 2. Now we will cross multiply. We will write 5x plus 2 equal to 2 times 4x plus 2, or we can write 5x plus 2 equal to 8x plus 4. Now we will take 5x to the RHS and 2 to the RHS also. So this side we will write 0. 8x minus 5x is 3x. 4 minus 2 is 2. Or we can write 3x will be equal to minus 2. So x will come out negative 2 over 3. So we have two real solutions. So I will write here x equal to 0 and x equal to minus 2 over 3. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.